Samsung will unveil its next flagship handset, the Galaxy S9, next month at Mobile World Congress, MWC. DJ Koh, Samsung's mobile chief, has confirmed that the company will launch its next flagship Galaxy S smartphone at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona next month, according to a ZDNet report. Koh didn't offer a specific date, but MWC will run from February 26 to March 1 this year, so expect the unveiling to fall somewhere in that time frame. The S9 and S9 Plus will be the successors to the S8 and S8 Plus, which launched at a Samsung event in New York last March, before going on sale in April. The S8 and its bigger brother were a hit with critics, who praised the phone's gorgeous design and brilliant cameras. Not much is known about the Galaxy S9 at this point, though we're not expecting any radical departures from the S8. A handful of leaked renders suggest it will look near identical to its predecessor, with a slight tweak moving the rear fingerprint sensor to below the camera. However, the S9 and S9 Plus won't be all Samsung fans have to look forward to this year. Speaking to ZDNet, Koh also repeated that the company plans to launch a foldable phone in 2018. What exactly foldable means in terms of functionality isn't clear, but smartphones with curved displays have been an obsession of Samsung's for more than half a decade. So guys, what do you think of the upcoming Galaxy S9? Let me know in the comment section.